Finally guys, ang long wait is over. Dumating na rin finally ang S26 Ultra ng friend ko si Boss Alvin. Shoutout ka pala sa Boss Alvin for lending this package to me. Ako mag-unbox para sa'yo. So special to. So I'll be opening itong box from Lazada, no? Nauna nga lang yung itong package nito, which is I believe yung charger niya. It comes together with several freebies if you order early. And iba-iba yung timing ng pagpadala nila. No? So anyway, ain't complaining. Hindi naman akin eh. So ito, naka-bubble wrap pa siya. So we're unboxing it here live para sa inyo, no? Just to make sure na walang missing, no? The package. So since it's sealed naman, so I believe na hindi naman siguro bato ang laman nito, no? Saklap naman kung bato, no? Ang tagal mo inantay na sumating sa bato. It's a sealed. Yeah, sealed yan guys. Nakita nyo. Sealed. So, buksan muna natin itong ano naman freebie na ito. Well, we have a 25 watts na charging brick ni Samsung. But I believe this one supports 45 watts. So, this is a 25 watts adapter. And it's not even a Samsung brand. It's just designed for Samsung lang, no? Hindi siya Samsung na brand, ha? Take note, it's a B-clad na brand, no? So, pakita ko na rin sa inyo kung ano itsura nito. Malilit ni Anchor. Type-C. And here's for the moment of truth. Here's the fun part. No? Pilasin to. Yan, masarap. Ito pa. Feels good. Samsung. Blue. Blue in order niya. So, let's see what's inside this one. Hindi na natin kailangan check, no? It's a typical, may panundot siya dito. Dito yung manual niya. Natago nga siya. Ng cable. Hindi siya masyadong makapal, kung tinignan mo. Sinang kable. So, ito na ang phone ng S26 Ultra. Diba? And camera module. Most likely, exciting part lang naman dito is to try out yung ganyang privacy settings, no? So, which we'll be doing on our full review. So, pipilasin ko muna to and dediretso na tayo soon sa ating full review. Samsung Galaxy. Yeah. So, paano guys? Hanggang dito muna ako. Don't forget to follow me sa akin YouTube channel para makita mo full review nito, Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. So, hanggang dito muna ako. I'll see you on my full review.